Hello everyone, I'm Manish Yadav. Welcome to all of you, my YouTube channel MS Institute of English. Dear students, we always go through these words much and many. We always confused about these two words. So in this video, I'm going to discuss these two words, differences between much and many. As we all know that much is at both of these two words are adjectives. Much is adjective of number, much is adjective of quantity, and many is adjective of number. So the first rule is much denotes quantity. As I have told you that it is adjective of quantity, so much denotes quantity and many denotes number. Much denotes quantity and many denotes number. Second, much is used before singular uncountable noun. It means after much we always use singular uncountable noun, and after many we always use plural countable noun. After many we always use plural countable noun. As for example, I don't know how much money he spent on his marriage. Look, here after much we use money. As we know that money is adjective of quantity and rupees is adjective of number. So after much we have used here, I have used here money, that is uncountable noun, and in the I have not many friends. After many I have used plural countable noun. So we always use uncountable noun after much and plural countable noun after many. Rule number 3. The following words are used in place of much. Instead of much, we can also use these words. These words are a great deal of, a good deal of, a large quantity of, plenty of, enough of, a lot of. As we know much about him. Instead of we know much about him, we can say we know a lot of about him. We know plenty of about him. We know a great deal about him. We know a good deal of about him. Here, rule number 3. The following words are used in place of many. In place of many, we can also use such words as, for example, a great many, a good many of, a great number of, great numbers of, plenty of, a lot of, lots of, numerous, a large number of, large numbers of, and enough of. Instead of many, we can use these words, and instead of much, we can use these words. So there are some notes on the differences between much and many. The first one is much and many are not used in affirmative sentences before an object. If there is an object in affirmative sentence, we must not use much and many. As for example, I know many men. If we say I know many men, this sentence will be wrong. So don't use such types of sentences. Don't use many in affirmative sentences. Instead of this sentence, we can say I know a lot of or a large number of men. Okay. Rule number 2. Much plus singular uncountable noun, many plus plural countable noun. Always keep it in your mind, always, that after much we must use singular uncountable noun and after many plural countable noun. If we use after much plural countable noun and after many singular countable noun, then the sentence will be wrong. So always keep in your mind that after much we have to use singular uncountable noun and after many plural countable noun. As for example, much money is needed for this project. After much, money has been used as it is uncountable noun. Many students are laborious. After many, plural countable noun. Rule number 3. If a sentence starts with subject plus wonder, oblique doubt, and if oblique whether is used after it, then much and many can be used. In a sentence, any type of sentence that starts with subject plus wonder or doubt, and after that whether or if has been used, then we can use both much and many. As for example, I wonder whether you have many friends. Dear students, as the rule says that after subject plus, as I here is subject and wonder, subject plus wonder, after that if or whether. So whether has been used here. So and many has been used. So in affirmative sentence, if the sentence starts with I wonder and after that if or whether has been used, then we can use both much and many. As for example, I wonder whether you have many friends. Second, I doubt if she has much money. As the rule says, we have used both have, many and much in the affirmative sentence. Rule number 4. Much and many are used after the words so, as, to and how. We can use both much and many after such words like so, as, to, any and how. As for example, ask so many questions as you want to know. Second example, don't take too much sugar. Don't take too much sugar. Okay. And the last rule is many and is used before singular countable noun in sense of a lot of. Singular verb is used with it. It keeps plural meaning. Means many and is used. Many and is used before singular countable noun. Means after many a or oblique and, we can only use singular countable noun. And it means a lot of. Many and means a lot of, and it and singular verb is always used with it. Okay. It keeps plural meaning. Though it keeps plural meaning, but singular verb is always used with it. As for example, many a man was killed in the First World War. As many is plural, but after many, a or an has been used, then we use singular verb with it. Okay, and it gives plural meaning. Okay. Okay, dear students, here is homework for you. Write your answers in the comment box, and those who will secure the highest marks, I will announce their names in the next video. Thank you very much.